All right. First of all, welcome. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, wherever you are, guys. So this is just a short video. This is actually a recorded video. Just an introduction to my new theme. So, kasi, di ba, usually itong channel namin, it is being used for, pagbabartagol, ganyan, pagkasagot, reaction videos and all that. But, syempre, gusto ko maging systematical din. Again, this is not a rebranding. This is just, additional, additional and add-ons to my channel. Gusto ko kasi magkaroon ng tema. And with me, uh, introducing myself as J of all trades or the Jack of all trades, master of none. So, yun yung gusto ko lang ipakita na parang diverse tayo at saka flexible when it comes to issues. So, yun. So, this is just a short introduction kung ano yung aasahan nyo sa channel ko maliban do sa maliban syempre may nag-introduce din ako nakaraan, di ba? Yung tatawag kong reaction strings. Parang reaction series yun, serye na mag-react ako sa certain topic or certain vlogger, what have you, di ba? So, bukod doon, meron din kami syempre yung dating ginagawa yung tatawag na late night talks with, usually kasama ko doon si Unbothered Queen, at marami tayo naging guest doon, di ba? Sila Achi, sila Kayu, o sino. So, tuloy pa rin yun. Pero kasi yun, ano yun walang schedule. Unlike this new theme na ginagawa ko, may schedule to. So this is gonna be like an everyday vlog. So this vlog or content can be recorded, video, or could be live. Usually magiging live siya pag may guest tayo. And there are certain topics each day na i-upload ko. So yun yung magiging ganun yung tema. Right, let's get started. So pakita ko sa inyo slide. Alright, so yeah, sabi dyan, every day is a new chance to learn and grow. Come with me each day. Alright. Gumawa niyan. This is courtesy ng asawa ko, si Unbothered Queen. Alright, so every Monday, I'm gonna upload either recorded video or live pag may guest. For this is gonna be called a Music Monday. So this is all about music. Lahat ng mga about songs, di ba? Or pwede ring music, any trivia about that music. And usually, ang gagawin ko dito is, ito actually yung idea namin to ni Percy before, na mga music, hihimay-himayin namin yung lyrics ng music. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng music na yon? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng song na yon? And why do I find that song really good, di ba? So, hihimay-himay namin mga tungkol sa music, tungkol mga trivia about that music. So, at the end of that video, either if it's live or recorded, lagi ako magsasabi na kung may gusto kayong music na ipahimay, na gawing topic for the next Music Monday for the following week, then we can also, make the content out of that music or out of that song. Alright? So, next would be hot topic. That's the Trending Tuesday. So, Trending Tuesday would be anything goes, any topic na nakita nating viral, trending. Pwede yan maging politika, pwedeng maging about a certain high profile or kahit sinong tao na maging trending. Pwedeng tao, pwedeng bagay, pwedeng certain topic lang talaga. So, dyan papasok yan. Again, pwede yan maging recorded or live, depende kung may makukuha tayong guest, magiging live siya. Alright? So, the next would be Wisdom Wednesday. So, Wisdom Wednesday, from the word wisdom, I'm not saying na matalino tayo o may wisdom tayo, but I'll try to be very informative when it comes to Wisdom Wednesday. This could be a certain topic, this could be a certain characteristics, values, or anything goes. Basta, it's all about wisdom. Sana itong Wednesday may kapupulutan tayong certain knowledge, di ba? This could be, for example, red flags. Ano yung mga red flags na dapat nating malaman sa isang tao? Pwede rin naman tong another trivia. For example, may bagong Gen Z word. Anong sabihin nun? For example, anong sabihin ng gaslighting? Mga ganon. So anything na matututunan natin, this would be the best day. It's Wednesday. It's a Wisdom Wednesday. Alright? So next topic would be Theatrical Thursday. From the word theater or theatrical. Ibig sabihin yan, this is all about movie. Because I'm a binge watcher. Mahilig ako manood ng mga movies, TV series,
and mostly are Western TV series and movies. I'm not into what you call this, yung Korean. But of course, I have to cover those. Kung may mga Korean movies or TV series na maganda na I would highly recommend. And of course, at the end of this video, you can also suggest any movies or TV series na gusto nyo i-topic natin on the next following Thursday. Diba? Nahihimay-himay natin. Or may gusto kayo suggest, panoorin natin. So yun, of course, kailangan ko rin panoorin yun para mahimay ko. Hindi ko pa napapanood. I'm not saying na I know everything about movies. Pero syempre, ang gusto ko sa mga movies is more on fantasy, sci-fi. Mahilig ako sa Marvels, ibang series niyan. Lord of the Rings, ano ba? Marami, basta anything na na more on fantasy. Mahilig din naman ako sa mga, lahat naman ng genre gusto ko. Pero mahilig ako sa mga, may pagka-nerd kasi ako. If hindi nyo na naitatanong, may pagka-nerd ako. So yun. And then let's move on to the next day. That would be Faith Friday. So as you can see in the logo, there is a cross. It's all about faith. So on every Friday, we're gonna discuss about a certain faith. Pwede natin i-discuss about yung certain religion ng ibang tao. But most of the time, what I'm going to discuss here is about my faith. My faith and my relationship with the Lord. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, it's about grace-based. And again, the reason why I'm doing this, it's not to convert anyone. This is just sa mga may kanya-kanyang faith. I'm not asking you to convert, or hindi ko rin yung purpose ko eh. Parang gagawin, parang magiging reference nyo, and try nyo isipin. Pwede nyo ibangga sa mga faith nyo eh. And then maganda ito kung may guest tayo para at least magkaroon ng mga healthy conversation about faith. Diba? Bakit ganito, ganyan? Himay-himay natin. Hindi ito magiging debate. As much as possible, we will not gonna have this topic sa debate. Pero sana, all I'm asking is just to have a clear heart and an open mind whenever you visited this day, and try to check if what I'm saying is making sense ba, or is it just kasi syempre hindi lang basta faith, dapat may logic din, and silipin natin kung ano bang masasabi ko about the Faith Friday. All right? So syempre, after Friday there's a Saturday. Ito lang naisip ko, Sing Shot Saturday. So usually this is our bonding day with my partner niyan, Brother Queen. Usually kumakanta kami, video kami. Yan, you can go ahead, parang pwede tayong pwede kayong umakyat dyan, or pwede kayong mag-suggest ng mga songs, kakanta tayo, ganyan. This is actually like a rest day for me pagdating sa people vlog. So, Sing Shot Saturday. So, after that, meron tayong natawag na Anything Under the Sun Sunday. So, from the word itself, it's a Sunday. So, it's anything under the sun. Dito kung papatunay na parang Jack of all trades. So, we can talk anything under the sun. So, ang bida rito, hindi talaga dapat ako. Ang bida rito is yung viewers. For example, may nag-comment kagad. Ang first comment doon kagad is, sige, pag-usapan natin about relationship. Pag-usapan natin about itong specific na bagay na to. Ano yung masasabi mo? So, dito, kayo yung bida, kayo yung, kung anong topic na gusto nyo, pag-uusapan natin yan, hihimay-himay natin yan, as much as I can. May alam ako sa mga bagay-bagay na yon. So, yun lang po, yun yung magiging theme natin. Every day, mag-upload ako either a recorded or a live, mag-LS ako, depende kung meron akong magiging guest. And, yun po. So, tuloy pa rin yung natin, yung mga ibang, minsan may mga unscheduled content tayo about political na kailangan ko. Siyempre, as a C4GG pa rin, kailangan ko pa rin mag-upload ng mga fake news, i-uncover natin mga fake news, mga lies. Gagawin ko pa rin every once in a while. Pero sa ngayon na, since wala akong ginagawa, I'll have to, just to keep my channel active, I'll have to do this. And, yun, tuloy pa rin yung reaction strings and yung music, yung late night talks. And syempre, yung mga unscheduled vlogs, if I have to, or LS. So that's about it, guys. Sana support nyo yung bagong theme na ni-introduce ko. And that's about it. Thank you guys. Bye.